Look at us.
Make him chase the lazy.
He was wondering what it is.
这是凶的那个是吗？小的。
大的。Oh, there he comes again.
Is he chasing your laser? Oh, he's got something to eat. Yeah. It was red.
His face looks like a human old man.
A 20.
Alright. Mango. Now we're too close. He doesn't like that.
Oh my god!
He thinks he's scaring the boat right now.
Sí, sí.
Actually, this is school for the baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other one backs up, so he does too. So go. You should even like it. Oh no! Said you take over. Yep, he just laid down. Let him go right over the top.
That's a great picture.
I got that.
Look at
He's gonna jump on the other branch. Somebody else is crawling right up there. They hear it crashing around.
They wouldn't show one. Raspado ahí, no es.
This is a baby one.
Family film photos.
That's a safety strap.
Vaya, nunca he visto bueno así. ¿Sabes qué más? Este más le agarra lo que es, ¿sí?
Yeah, something going on up there.
En ningún otro, bueno, Antonio alguna vez, no, tampoco, Antonio. Bueno, en la USA Península sí he visto la versión.
Oh yeah, he didn't like that.
Oh yeah, there goes the Jesus Christ lizard.
Yeah, Jesus Christ running for its life.
Would the monkey eat that?
Oh yes. Look at
Really?
this big guy there.
There's a littler one further on. It's dark. That's a pretty cool lizard. That's not like the ones we have. They do the same running thing on the back of their feet. That's pretty cool with that fin. It looks like a sail fin.
这个蛮好看的 ，green one。
I want to see it.
Oh, here he comes.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, shake those branches.
Hey.
What a face.
Coming down.
Hey, buddy. Mr. Schwarzenegger.
Oh, look at his muscles.
No, no, no.
He's a rough-looking character.
He always makes
Ragged.
They're over there right on the floor. Oh, it is that second one up there looking now. Huh? See, this is how we do it, right? You just give them a good scare and they go away. Oh, that's the bigger one. Yeah, he's inside. Here he comes lower. He reacted. Wow, there's one way, whoa, way out there too. Yeah. The boss. I want to see him grab a lizard.
Oh, he's coming to put it down.
Oh! The lizard guy ain't there. Yeah, the green lizard. Look underneath the There we go.
Putting on the show.
Where is he?
The lizard moved a little too.
Yeah.
I want to see him grab a lizard and have dinner. It's like Hulk Hogan.
She's scared.
Yeah, he's got it. Oh, look at this one right here.
Oh, there's the one over here.
Yeah.
Oh, he's not even coming. Hey, dude. Oh. Over here. Is that the big one? Yeah, he's almost ready now.
Here's the guy on the left.
I can even reach it.
Get a picture. Right in your face. He's gonna come right out here on the end.
Oh, stop it. I can't get it.
Yeah, he's moving so much you can't take a picture.
Yeah, and the tree gets in the... Come closer.
He didn't like it.
Yeah, good boy.
He's gonna come right here. He is.
Huh? Vamos qué?
Yeah, he scared us away for another one.
Oh, it's there too.
Now, this guy's up front.
Oh.
Right,
Here we go.
More than the warmest one that we've really.
Hi. Very nice.
Hey, Rick, I'm going to the bar. I'm going to the bar. The bar. The ball.
Yeah, I will. Good night.
Okay, let's get it
That would be a good idea to leave it there.
Did you hear the howler monkeys in the trees? Yeah. I love it.